We have a continuous topic in Astrologer's Day. Yesterday, in previous class, we learned the Astrologer's Days half part. It is written by R.K. Narayan. He is an Indian writer. He is a very famous Indian writer. In the story, one astrologer is there. Again, one customer and customer friend. So, how the astrologer shop? In which time is open? What are the equipment? So, what is the stuff he's going to use to tell, like that we learned yesterday. So see the remaining story. The nuts vendor blew out his flare and rose to go home. This was a signal for the hustlers to bundle up to. Listen carefully. In the night time, so there is no light. Already we know that there is no light in the hustler shop. So when nut vendor is closing his shop, so then this hustler has to close the shop because there is no light. So when he want to close, so it is a signal for him hustlers to also close the shop. Since it felt him a darkness except for a little shaft, a green light he stayed in front of somewhere and touched the ground before him. Listen carefully. There is no light. If a vendor closing the shop, there is no light, but one green light coming to his shop. సో ఎప్పుడైతే నట్ వెండర్ అతని షాప్ని క్లోజ్ చేస్తాడో మూసివేస్తాడో అప్పుడు మన అస్సలర్ కూడా షాప్ని మూసివేయాలి, ఎందుకంటే ఇతని షాప్లో లైట్ లేదు కాబట్టి. సో ఎక్కడో దూరం నుంచి ఒక గ్రీన్ లైట్ అనేది వస్తూ ఉంటుంది. He picked up his cowrie cells and all his items, putting them into his bag when the green shaft of light was blotted out. Listen carefully. So all his equipment, cowrie cells, palmer writing, bundle of palmer writing, notebook, so all things he's keeping under his bag. He sensed a possible client and said, you look to caravan, it will do you good to sit down for a while and chat with me. So when he was closing the shop, so one client came to his shop, so he telling that, so you look to close your shop, so if you stay sometime you may be earn something. సో క్లయింట్ ఏమంటున్నాడు, మీరు షాపు మూసే విధంగా ఉన్నారు, మీరు షాప్ కట్టేయకండి, కొద్దిసేపు ఉంటే మీకు మంచి జరుగుతుంది, మీరు ఎంతో కొంత సంపాదించుకుంటారు. The other grumbled some reply vaguely. The astrologer pressed his invitation, whereupon the other thrust his palm under his nose, saying, "You call yourself an astrologer?" Listen carefully. So another customer's friend, what are you doing here? He is stretching his hand and can say, you look like a customer. You sell your you said you are a astrologer. So he is insulting astrologer here. Another customer friend is not giving proper respect to astrologer. సో అస్ట్రాలజర్ చలో చూద్దాం అనుకుంటున్నాడు, కానీ కస్టమర్ ఫ్రెండ్ చాలా ర్యాష్గా బిహేవ్ చేస్తున్నాడు. చేయి చాపి నాకు అస్ట్రాలజర్ చెప్పు, నీకు చేతనవుతుందా? సో ఆ విధంగా అతన్ని బాగా చేసే విధంగా అస్ట్రాలజర్ ఫెల్ట్ ఛాలెంజ్డ్ అండ్ సేడ్ of light, yours is a nature. Oh, stop. That the other said, tell me something was well. So said, the astrologer want to close the shop. The customer friend is behaving very rashly. Then customer telling that you stop. So I want to know my future. So you don't disturb me. Like that, the customer friend requesting his customer. So ఎప్పుడైతే అస్ట్రాలజర్ బాగా కోపం వచ్చిందో కస్టమర్ ఫ్రెండ్కి ఏమంటున్నాడు, ఆపు, ఏం చెప్పకు, నాకు భవిష్యత్తు తెలుసుకోవాలని ఉంది. Our friend felt piqued. I charge only 3 paisa per question, and what you get ought to be good enough for your money. At this, the other withdrew his arm, took out an anna. I have some question to ask. Me with interest. This is correct. No. Sorry. Each question, if you agree for this, another person telling that Anna with interest. Listen carefully, with interest. So you should be give the money with interest. So here the conditions in agreement is happening on. So what the customer telling that? So if you're telling wrong messages, if you are telling a wrong story, if you bluff us, we will charge Anna with interest. Listen carefully. If you find my answer satisfactorily, will you give me 5 rupees? Then astrologer counter that. So if you satisfied my answer, if you are satisfied my explanation, so will you give me 5 rupees? Will you give me 5 rupees? So now the challenge happen here. The challenge is happening here. They both are taking with the pride here. ఇద్దరి మధ్యలో బాగా ప్రైడ్ కోసం యుద్ధం జరుగుతుంది అనమాట. సో అసలు ఏమంటున్నాడు, ఒకవేళ నేను కరెక్ట్ సమాధానం చెప్పినట్లయితే నాకు 5 రూపాయలు ఇస్తారా? నో. ద కస్టమర్ ఫ్రెండ్ టెలింగ్ దట్ నో. ఆర్ విల్ యూ గివ్ మీ 8 ఆనాస్? ఇఫ్ యూ ఆర్ నాట్ గివింగ్ 5 రూపీస్, ఆర్ విల్ యూ గివ్ మీ 8 ఆనాస్? 8 ఆనాస్ ఇస్తారా? ఆల్ రైట్, ప్రొవైడెడ్ యూ గివ్ మీ ట్వైస్ యాజ్ మచ్ if you are wrong, said the stranger. This pact was accepted after a little further argument. All right, provided you give me twice as much if you are wrong. Listen to, if you are wrong, you can give me the twice. So now the agreement is happen to this customer and astrologer now. So remaining is going to be happen. The astrologer sent up a prayer to heaven as the other lit a cherub. Now before telling astrology, what is the astrologer is doing here? He is praying to the heaven. Means heaven means here God. He is praying to the God. Then other lit a cherub. Now customer lightening on a cherub. Cherub means cigar. He lightening the cigar. The astrologer caught a glimpse of his face by the match light. There was a pause as a car scooted on the road. Jhatka drivers swore at their horses. Listen carefully. When the customer and customer friend, the customer lightening the cigar means chirut, the pipe. So that time, astrologer saw the face of his customer and customer friend. So then what is happening here? There was a pause as a car hooted on the road. Listen carefully. There is a pause. All of a sudden the car is started. The Jhatka drivers swore at their horses. సో సంథింగ్ హ్యాపెన్స్ ఇన్ అస్ట్రాలజర్స్ మైండ్. ఎప్పుడైతే అతను చుట్ట పైపు వెలిగించాడో తాగడానికి కస్టమర్, సో ఆ లైట్లో ఇతనికి అతని యొక్క ముఖం కనబడింది. ముఖం కనబడగానే అస్ట్రాలజర్ ఏ విధంగా అయిపోయాడంటే బాగా స్పీడ్లో బ్రేక్ వేయబడిన కార్ లాగా, జట్కా డ్రైవర్స్ అంటే గుర్రం స్వారీ వాళ్ళు గుర్రాన్ని ఆపినట్లు ఆ విధంగా అనిపిస్తుంది అనమాట అతనికి. And the babble of the crowd agated in the semi-darkness of the park. The other sat down, sucking his cheroot, puffing out, sat there ruthlessly. So other person, what he doing here? The customer friend, he is sucking the cheroot, puffing out. So he's puffing air. I am not used ruthlessly. So his behavior is not good towards the astrologer. So another person is not a good person here. His behavior is not good. What he doing here? He is sucking the cherut, again creating problems to astrologer. The astrologer felt very uncomfortable. Here, take your Anna back. I am not used to such challenges. So now astrologer is not happy with the behavior. Again, suddenly he was shocked. So what he doing here? He is giving back his Annas to the customer. Again, telling that I am unable to tell you the astrology. Now I am going to my home. It is not a time. Actually, I am going to close the shop. Like that, he is telling the reasons to the customer. The customer ఇప్పుడు ఏమంటున్నాడు, వాళ్ళ బిహేవియర్ బాగాలేదు కాబట్టి నేను ఇప్పుడు అస్సలు చెప్పాను, నేను ఇంటికి వెళ్ళే సమయం అయిపోయింది, నేను చెప్పాను అని చెప్తాను అనమాట. It is late for me today. He made preparation and bundled up. The other held his wrist and said, you can't get out of it now. You dragged me in while I was passing. The astrologer shivered in his grip and his voice shook and became faint. Leave me today. I will speak to you tomorrow. So when he started to go towards his home, so he's keeping all the things. Again, he's closing the shop. So another customer friend taking his hand, caught his wrist again. So where are you going? Without telling astrology, you should not go. Then astrologer telling us, you don't worry. So today my time is over. So tomorrow you come to my shop. I will definitely tell you tomorrow. I speak to you tomorrow. The other thrust his palm in his face and said, challenge is challenge. Challenge is challenge. Go on. The astrologer proceed with the throat drying up. There is a woman. Listen carefully. Now astrologer is taking the challenge Again, other astrologers from telling you challenge this challenge. You should not go here. You can tell the astrology. Now astrologers throat is dry up. Listen carefully. So he started. There is a woman. There is a woman. He started his astrology with the word. There is a woman. Stop. Said the other. I don't want all that. Shall I succeed in my present search or not? So now the customer telling stop. I don't want to listen what is happened in the past. గతంలో ఏం జరిగిందో అది నాకు అవసరం లేదు. సో ఐ డోంట్ వాంట్ టు లిసన్ ఆల్ ద థింగ్స్. షల్ ఐ సక్సీడ్ ఇన్ మై ప్రజెంట్ search or not? You tell me, so why I came to this town? Is in my searching I will successful or not? You tell that much only. Answer this and go. So answer this and go. I don't want to listen the past. You should say this much only. So as I came to this town to search somebody, so if I am successful or not, you can tell that much only. So if you tell that things, you may go now. You may go now. Otherwise, I will not let you go till you disgorge all your coins. Isn't it? So you tell this one. So otherwise, I will take all your coins, not only this. So what you honored from morning to evening, so that amount also we will take. So you tell this much only. సో అస్ట్రాలజర్ కస్టమర్ ఏమంటారంటే ఇవన్నీ అవసరం లేదు, గతంలో ఏం జరిగిందో చెప్పాల్సిన అవసరం లేదు. సో నేను ఈ సిటీకి ఒకరిని వెతకడానికి వచ్చాను, ఆ వెతకడంలో నేను సక్సెస్ అవుతానో లేదా అది మాత్రం చెప్పు, లేదంటే నువ్వు మార్నింగ్ నుంచి ఈవినింగ్ వరకు ఎంత సంపాదించి అవి కూడా చూసుకుంటావు, నీకు వట్టిగా వదిలేయాలి. ద అస్ట్రాలజర్ muttered a few incantations and replied, all right, I will speak, but will you give me a rupee if what I say is convincing? Listen carefully. Then master telling me, yes, I will tell. So you should give me 1 rupee. నేను చెప్తాను కానీ 1 rupee ఇవ్వాలి నాకు. I say is convincing, otherwise I will not open my mouth. Listen carefully. If you offer me 1 rupee, then only I will open my mouth, otherwise I won't open. ఒకవేళ 1 రూపాయి ఇవ్వకపోతే నేను అసలు ఏమి చెప్పను. And you may do what you like. So you may do whatever you like. ఎస్, ఏదైనా చేసుకోండి మీరు, నేను మాత్రం చెప్పాను. ఆఫ్టర్ ఎ గుడ్ డీల్ ఆఫ్ హ్యాంగింగ్ ద అదర్ అగ్రీడ్. ద అస్ట్రాలజర్ సెడ్, యూ వర్ లెఫ్ట్ ఫర్ డెడ్, ఐ యామ్ రైట్. లిజన్ కేర్ఫుల్లీ. నౌ ద కస్టమర్ అండ్ కస్టమర్ అగ్రీడ్ ద కండిషన్ ఆఫ్ ద astrologer. Yes, they are going to be offer 1 rupee. Then he started the, you were left for a dead, I am right. You are left for a dead. Somebody attacked you, so you may near to dead. You may near dead as I'm telling right, as I'm telling truth. Oh, tell me more. The customer telling that, tell me more. So you are telling the truth only, tell me. సో కస్టమర్ స్టార్ట్ చేస్తాడు. ఏం చెప్పాడు, నీకు నీ పైన అటాక్ జరిగింది, నీకు ఎవరో చంపడానికి ప్రయత్నించారు కానీ నీకు బతికిపోయావు. ఇలా చెప్పగానే కస్టమర్ ఏమంటాడు, చెప్పండి, నిజమే చెప్తున్నారు. ఎ నైఫ్ హ్యాస్ పాస్డ్ త్రూ యూ వన్స్, సెడ్ అస్ట్రాలజర్. Astrologer telling that once one knife passed you. So when somebody attacked with you the knife, so you near to death. The చావు దగ్గరలోకి వెళ్ళి వచ్చారు. Good fellow, he bared his chest to show the scar. What else? Listen carefully. So now he showing his chest. What else? Next what? And then you were pushed into the well nearby in the field. You were left for dead. Listen carefully. After that attack, so you pushed into the well, and in the field you were left for dead. I should have been dead if somebody passerby had not chanced to peep into the well, exclaimed the other, overwhelmed by enthusiasm. When shall I get at him? He asked, clenching his fist. Listen carefully. He said that, so somebody in the passerby saved me. He saved me in the well. So can I catch that person? So I came to here to search that person. Can I success in my search? ఏమడతాడు అతను, సో నీ పైన అటాక్ జరిగింది, ఎవరు నిన్ను చంపడానికి ప్రయత్నించారు, చంపడమే కాకుండా నీతో కత్తితో దాడి చేసిన తర్వాత నీకు ఒక బావిలో పడేస్తారు, బాడుపడ్డ పొలాల్లో పడేస్తారు. సో అతను అంటే అవును నిజమే, అక్కడ నుంచి వెళ్ళే వాళ్ళు నాకు ఆ బావి నుంచి బయటకు తీస్తారు, ఇదిగో ఇక్కడ కత్తిపోటు చూపిస్తారు అనమాట. చూపించిన తర్వాత సో నేను అతని కోసం వచ్చాను, అతను దొరుకుతాడా లేదా? In the next world, answered the astrologer. So yes, he may find, you are going to find him in the next world, not in this world. So means that person was died. He died for 4 months ago. Listen carefully. So that person who attacked you, he died 4 months ago. in a far of the town. So in here not in far of town. So he was died. You will never see any more of him. The other gone off hearing it. The astrologer proceeded. Listen carefully. So you unable to get him why? Because he was expired. He was died 4 months ago. So the 4 నెలల క్రితం అతను చనిపోయాడు కాబట్టి అతను నీకు దొరకడు. ఈ వరల్డ్లో దొరకడు, నెక్స్ట్ వరల్డ్లో దొరకడు. Thus proceeded Guru Nayak. So astrologer said to customer, Guru Nayak, you know my name? The other said, take it back, take it back. Niko na పేరు ఎలా తెలుసు? So he's in full surprising. As you know all other things, Guru Nayak, listen carefully to what I have to say. Your village is 2 days journey due to the north of this town. Take the next train and be gone. I see once again great danger to your life if you go from home. You took out the pinch of ash and held it to him. Rub it on your forehead and go home. Never travel southward again, and you will live to be 100. Listen carefully. As I know your name, not only your name. So your village is 100 miles away from this town, so you should not return to this area again. So the person who attacked him, he was died. So one danger also to you. So he taken one ash and rubbed on his forehead. So you go and you stay in your home only. If you return to this town, you may have a danger. So if you live in your town only, so you may live for 100 years. అస్ట్రాలజీ ఏమంటాడంటే ఇక్కడికి రాకండి, ఒకవేళ వస్తే మీకు మళ్ళీ ప్రమాదం పొంచి ఉంది. సో మీరు ఇక్కడ నుంచి 100 మైళ్ళ దూరంలో ఉండే విలేజ్లో ఉంటారు. సో అక్కడే ఉండండి. మీరు ఎవరికోసం వచ్చి వచ్చారో వాళ్ళు అక్కడే చనిపోయారు. సో మీరు మంచిగా భద్రంగా ఉండాలంటే మీ ఊళ్ళోనే మీరు ఉండండి. మీరు 100 సంవత్సరాల పైగా జీవిస్తారు. Why should I leave home again? The other said reflectively, I was only going away now and then look for him and choke out his life if I met him. So second person, the customer friend, why should we go to the home? So we should kill him, then only we will back to home. మేము ఎందుకు వెళ్ళాలి? అతన్ని చంపే వరకు మేము ఇక్కడి నుంచి వెళ్ళము. He shook his head regretfully. He has escaped my hands. I hope at least he died as he deserved. Yes, said the astrologer. He was crushed under a lorry. The other looked gratified to hear it. Listen carefully. Yes, if he lied, we are going to kill him. So the correct thing is happened to that person. So astrologers are telling that yes, he was died 4 months ago by lorry crushing. So in lorry accident, he was died. So other feeling very happy when he heard that. The place was deserted by the time. The astrologer picked up his articles and put them into the bag. The green shop was also gone, leaving the place in darkness and silence. The stranger had gone off into the night after giving the astrologers a handful of times. So now the night is happening on. There is no light. The green light also is gone. So he keeping all his equipment in the bag. Again, the customer and customer friend also gone from the place, giving handful of times in the hands of astrologer. I was nearly midnight when the astrologer reached the home. His wife was waiting for him at the door and demanded an explanation. So now it is midnight. So when he reached the home, so his wife is waiting there. So why astrologer came late? So he demanded for the explanation. He flung the coins in her hand, said, count them. One man gave all that. So when he entered the home, so he handed over the coins which was given by the customer and customer friend. So again the astrologer ordered to his wife to count it. So one customer gave it to me. 12.5 annas, she said, counting. She was overjoyed. So when she counted that amount, it is 12.5 anna. She overjoyed. She is fully happy with that amount. I can buy some jaggery and coconut tomorrow. The child has been asking for sweet for so many days now. I will prepare some nice stuff for her. Listen carefully. So she is fully happy with that amount. Again she said that, so I will buy the jaggery and coconut. So many days our children asking for the sweet dish. So with this amount I am going to prepare that. The swine has cheated me. He promised me a rupee, said the astrologer. Astrologer said that people cheated me. They said to me, give 1 rupee, but they are handed over 12.5 annas only. She looked up at him. You look worried. What is wrong? So the wife looking to his wife. So what is happening on? Your face is very pale face. You are looking in a worry. Nothing. After dinner, sitting on the pole, he told her, do you know a great is gone from me today. I thought I had to blood the man on my hands all these years. That was the reason why I ran away from home, settled here, and married you. He is alive. So after finishing the dinner, he sat on the pier and explaining that. So in these years, so I am thinking that I killed one person, but luckily that person was not died. So I came to this town to escaping from the murder, but he is alive. He is feeling very happy. She gasped, "You tried to kill." So the wife asking, "You tried to kill any person?" "Yes, in the village when I was still youngster, we drank, gambled, and quarreled badly one day. I think if it now time is sleep," he said, yawning and stretched himself on the pier. So when he was young, so he quarreled with that person. In that quarrel, so he attacked with that knife. So that is happening when he was a youth. This is the story of an astrologer. Means here, astrologer actually came to this town after attacking that Guru Nanak. So after some many years, he came to the town in searching for the astrologer, but astrologer luckily escaping. So that's why that is astrologer's day.